Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to set up and use Shopify gift cards for your store. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app first. Download and open the Shopify application from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Go to Products and select Gift Cards. After opening the app, tap on the third option at the bottom called Products. Scroll down and select Gift Cards. Step 3. Create a new gift card. Tap on the plus icon and select Add Gift Card. Now enter details like gift card value, title, and description. You can also upload an image for the gift card. Then select where you want to sell it: online store, POS, or both. Step 5. Save and activate the gift card. Once everything is set, tap Save. Your Shopify store now offers gift cards that customers can purchase and redeem during checkout. That's all for today's video. Hope you have understood how to set up and use Shopify gift cards for your store. There is no easier way than this. If you still have any doubts, drop a comment and I'll definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.